In the next episode, the village will call to Dekla back like an old wound that never fully healed. For many people, the village is only place on the map, but for Dekla, it is beginning of fear, lose, and survival. When she returns there with Erkin near her, she will feel two different emotions fighting inside her. One part of her will want to run away from every tree, every road, and every memory. The other part will want to stand there proudly and prove that the girl who once left in fear has come back stronger. Erkan will try to understand this pain, but he will know that some wounds cannot be understood from the outside. He can hold her hand and he cannot carry the years she lived before him. This will make the humble. For the first time, he will stop speaking like a man who has answers and start listening like a man who wants to learn. Ferret memory will become the key to everything. She will walk through the village with confusion in her eyes, but small details will begin to reach her heart. A broken gate, an old sacrifice to scarf, a voice from the past, and place near the road will slowly bring back pieces of the truth. Dekla will fear and Ferret may remember because truth can heal, but it can also destroy the peace people build with lie. Sivan will watch to Ferit with deep concern and his own emotions will harder to hide. He will want to protect her, but he will also know that protection without truth may repeat the same mistake Erkan made with Dekla back in the mansion. The family will not sit quietly. They will try to control what happens in the village from far away. But distance will not save them. Someone will send a warning. That warning will prove that past is still alive. Furman's name, the Dekla will realize that danger will never only to behind her. It was waiting to right moment to turn. In the next episode, Erkin Dekla bound will become to deeper because they will face the place where the story truly began. But this time Erkin will not arrive as a stranger trying to save a village girl. He will arrive as a man ready to stand with his wife in front of truth. But village will open all doors. Ferret will remember something that changes the direction of this story, and Dekla will finally understand that she cannot build a future until she faces the shadow that stole her peace.